This is a specimen that I found on Path Presenter. Um, it is a large artery, and it's obviously stained with hematoxylin eosin. However, on this website that has a lot of path slides, it's under the section of hemopathology. It's a digital slide. Its format is an SVS slide, but there's no more information there. But I thought it was interesting. The first thing that I noticed about it was the artifact here, where whoever cover slipped the slide and put the perm out to permanently preserve this and put a cover slip on top of the specimen on a glass slide, left a bubble that's an air bubble in the perm out. The next thing I noticed is, if I zoom in on this specimen, you can clearly see that there are multiple layers of what looks like nuclei that belong to smooth muscle cells, and perhaps some of them belong to fibroblasts. But here I'm outlining or indicating elastic membranes. So this is a large artery. It could be a carotid artery. It could be a branch of the aorta. It could be maybe not the aorta, but similar to that. So the other observation I made, of course, is the adipose tissue on either side. And but of interest is this lymphatic. And you see this lymphatic is very irregular because it's very thin-walled. It conducts lymph, but also conducts lymphocytes. And these lymphocytes here are congealed into what might be fibrin. I'm not sure, but they are definitely lymphocytes. And as a matter of fact, there are a few eosinophils that are trapped within this congealed mass within the lymphatic. Also, over here is another lymphatic vessel. You see, it has some collagen that is just underneath the what we might call the lymphatic endothelium. You see these dark nuclei here. Those are the endothelial cells on this lymphatic. So lymphatics are very, very low pressure and irregular, and in life this would be perhaps rounded out. Then I noticed here's a very small arteriole, only one, maybe two layers of smooth muscle around it, and there are cross sections of the endothelial cell nuclei. And just adjacent to it would be what I would classify as a post-capillary venule. Actually, it's a little larger than that because it has significant collagen around it for support. So that was very interesting observations, and it gives me the opportunity to demonstrate at least one artifact that occurs when one tries to mount a specimen on a glass slide.